This is Carla at Hardwood Lumber Millwork, and today we are looking at some Cypress beams. These are #2 Cypress, so they have some knots in them. They're showing a lot of character, some beautiful character in the wood, lots of grain. Cypress is a very Florida wood, but you see it there taking on just a whole new look. These beams are hollow, so let's get down here and you can see the end. Okay, you see how there's that locking miter joint in there. It just popped into focus. So you can see that locking miter joint in there. And then when we finish these beams, we actually spray clear finish on the inside so that the beam is fully protected all the way around. Now this is going to help prevent the wood from warping or cracking. It's just going to help even out the moisture movement in the wood, that's a natural occurrence in the wood. These look awesome, and they have a little bit of stain on them. They look amazing in any home. Whether you go with that #2 grade that has a lot more character, a little bit of knotty action going on there, or you go with a clear grade, which is not going to have those kinds of knots. It's going to be a lot cleaner. It's going to be a more modern look. Cypress gives you those kind of options to work with.